Hi, I am Yuto, the founder of Samurai Agent. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started. So from here, you can go to search extensions in Marketplace. And if you type Samurai or Samurai Agent, our tool should pop up. And then you can install from here. And then once you install, you can go to Open Samurai Agent by clicking this chat icon, or you can click Command Shift P in Mac or Control Shift P in Windows. And if you go to type Samurai Agent here and click this Open Samurai Agent panel, you can open this. And then the first thing I want you to do is go to the Setting tab. If you are beta users, please put your beta code here so you can use your free credit. Once your key is ready, you can go back here and you can choose the model you want. We highly recommend using Gemini 2.5 Flash, which has good performance and which is very fast. And then you can type your bug description here. I usually type 2 or 3 sentences to describe the detail. And if the log is available, I put here and just send the chat. And usually our analysis takes 2 to 3 minutes. And then you can see the code execution from here. And you can read the root cause analysis here.